Well, we had a feeling that the gate situation that we had rigged wasn't going to last very long. What you got, Bugaboo? What you doing? Are you getting it figured out? Mm-hmm. We thought we were so smart, didn't we? You getting it figured out? What you doing? You're gonna climb it now, huh? What, darling? Say hi. You just playing all by yourself? Figuring out that gate. What you doing? What you doing, hot stuff? Look up. You gonna eat some more leaves? Dada's upstairs. Say hi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Nana. How you like that, Nana? Hi. Dada? Who's this? The mama? The mama? The mama? Okay, bye-bye. I'm gonna work on that gate some more. Let's work on it from this end. Now what are you gonna do with it? Now what you gonna do? Huh? You gonna go? He says there's more than one way to skin a cat. Strong. He's pulling against the bungee cords now, mind you. Uh-huh, you got your foot stuck, didn't you? Yeah, now how you gonna get the foot out? Oh, you got it out. Alright. Hear that big sigh. What you gonna do with that? You got something in mind? You got your foot stuck again. I guess you escaped, didn't you? Oh no, what are we gonna do? Feet first. Feet first. I can't rob it from you. You got this far. Turn around. No, feet first. Come on. Feet first. Good job. Good job. Feet first. There you go. Come on down. Careful. Good job. Come down the rest of the way. Feet first. Turn around. Say bye-bye. I'm out now. Bye-bye. No eating leaves. Give me that leaf. Bye-bye.